Hey fam, welcome again to my channel. I'm Deka. Hello my people, welcome again to my channel. My name na Deka one of Abuja. Deka from Abuja mom. I be lifestyle and mom blogger based here in Abuja. They make me do. So today's video now a special video because I go to do my video in Pidgin. So they feel me like I don't already speak in Pidgin. I go do this whole look for Pidgin. I go use Ezekiel product. Most of the things I go use for my look now from this company, and they send me some PR things, and I say make I show how I take Slayer. No, the Nigerian brand, we guys they show ourselves love. They show all these Nigerian brands where they try love. And if I want to see the video, make sure that they watch. So I don't already do my eyebrow. Very slayed for my mind. I do it well for my mind. I will go in with this Ezekiel palette. Ezekiel Cosmetics blush, bronzer and powder palette. Fam, the colors make sense. Die. I go in with this orange. I go use them as my transition color. So when I do makeup, most people they always ask me how you take one, how you take one. The secret to my makeup now, make sure say you use small at a time. Don't follow don't follow those YouTubers or we gonna do hand like say I don't know say a person look they make mistakes. They just they pack. So I'll go in with this Slay Queen palette by Ezekiel, and I'll go in with this Calabar. You get one look what I do on this, what I could post for Instagram, and now this Calabar where I use, so just like I recreate the look. So I know they use too much. So if you see me with makeup and the kind of face what I get, I know that I'm the only one. The kind of face what I get, a little goes a long way. The moment where you put too much, you will just like a juju Calabar. Man, I'm feeling. So I'm going back with that orange. Just a small dip. So I'll go into this color, number 12 for the blush palette. Number 12, this one. I will use them to blend my crease, to blend all these things to this one. I will use them transition from here to here, you know. I'll just apply this black liner from Mabrook. I'm going with my benign topaz translucent powder, and I'm going to use them set my face. So this is if you get oily skin and you want me at least make the oiliness not too much, because there's no way with the oiliness not go there, make it not too much. We use this thing. So make a tell her I want gist. So me and my daughter they talk one day. My daughter called and say, hey, that she wants her daddy to build our house, So I come to her and say, I make she dey pray to God, make God give us money to build our house farm. My daughter, you know what my daughter answer me? My daughter tell me say, Mom, it's not God that builds houses, it's the builder. Like I hook, I don't know if you can answer. I hook. These children, if you don't shine eye, I'm gonna use you shine. But they use this flawless more for coverage and Mary Kay for color. So they go in with this Ezekiel HD lightweight waterproof full coverage concealer, and it comes in the shade caramel. What I like most about this concealer and this thing, and when you apply concealer apply as little as possible. No go do Jackie Aina style. Auntie no even complain to you as auntie say you complain. Another thing I like about the concealer is you know they dry fast. Because some concealers immediately apply and they go just dry. Some concealers one immediately you apply them, they just dry. If you feel say the concealer still plenty, if you go in with the other parts where you never use, just to touch them. That's another way to go in with your foundation brush and just touch over it. So you go reduce. So I'll go in with this palette. I go use ebony small, just small. So next thing I'm gonna do now to go in to my Ezekiel face definer in beautiful bronze. So I go use this shade to contour, and because of the shade, you see say the thing gets red undertone. I no go use blush again, because if I use blush, I don't know it again. So and I go take my contour a bit high. You see, the thing they like say it get red undertone, so I go use them as blush / contour. Fluffy big brush, and I go use and blend my whole face to make sure say everything blend. So I don't want to make my face get Coke and Fanta. What next? So I go highlight, and I go in with this with the Ezekiel Cosmetic face definer in caramel. No, I won't go in with this face palette. I will use some highlights. Yep, I think that's what I will do. I will use this essay to highlight. So I still try to blend my face. I'm going with my Kiss Beauty Photo Finish Primer water. Like I go do lashes. What I use to apply my lashes now they use now. When nobody vex. Bond. Hair bond now they use now. Remember those days when they do lashes? Those days. When they tear I knew. Now bond and they use. So and all these funny glues go person they buy. For me, they know they ever work. They know they last. They know they stay. They had me. And only glue they really get easy for me. So I make a buy them. Going with my normal palettes or this random palette, and I'll go in with this blue. This blue. will do something different. I will use my concealer for my lips. Get one color I want this. Yes, yes. I think I just do my hair and I'll come back. What do I think? Be mom for my channel and you would like to win this wig stand, just comment below and tell me why you want to win the wig stand. And also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also follow me on Instagram. And that's all. Just comment, tell me why you want to win them. If you like this thing, where I like them. Never can one give honor. If you be mama, if you be mom, my mom, or mom to be, or mom to be, make it reason only mom. So if you be mom to be or you be mom, let me know why you want to win this wig stand. Follow me on social media, follow me on YouTube and Instagram. Subscribe to my YouTube and follow me on Instagram. And that's it. That's it. Chicken, nothing else. So now you can go pick up. Now you can come pick them up by yourself. If they live for Abuja, you come pick them up. If they live for Lagos, you come pick them up by yourself. Or you go know how you go take collect them. If you get person, will collect them for you, no problem. If you want pay to collect them, if you want pay way bill, no problem. If you pay them from your house, just pay. Make them come pick them from my house. Send to you, no problem. That be the only thing. I know they take them to anybody. But if you live Abuja, I fit try. If you live around my area, I fit try bring them for you. But if you live far, I know they bring them for you.